playing Gorilla Tag. They just had an update, the rain update. We're joined by oh god, not this again. Bro, stop going for the drink. Bro, this is the second time. This is the second time. Okay. The rain flashback is back, can I say? But
yes, it's back.
You've got the umbrellas, you've got the rain stuff, and it's time to test out the Gorilla Tag cosmetics. Okay. Don't put that in the video. Don't put that in the video, please. Okay, first we've got the amazing umbrella. I'm falling in love with this umbrella. Just seeing myself playing with this would be a dream. Look how cool I look, guys. Wait, if I switch the hands. Look how cool I look. Okay, so yeah. I'm a very good YouTuber. You know why? Because I post on the exact day that I'm filming this. So you've got the gold umbrella, 6,000 by the way. This is 5,000. So much for an umbrella, but I can afford this if I buy the 6. This, I do not find it as my. This is not like my favorite, but it's cool. You can get the egg on the head, and what do I mean by that? Just shut up.
You can get egg on the head, boy.
Yeah, this looks cool as well if you're a complete sweat and you want to juke everybody in your server. This is a good cosmetic. Look, it's jiggling. It's jiggling on my head. Okay. Next cosmetic is the rain boots. My most viewed video is the buckle my shoe meme. So, 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Okay, enough of that. The gold thing. The gold ones, the gold boots. They're brand new, 1, 2. They look actually good on me, but the thing is, they get rid of my wrench. I don't like that. They're brand new, 1, 2. Buckle my shoe, 3, 4. Now some more, 5. No, I changed the thing of it. Yeah, alright. You got the sky boots. These are not my personally favourite, but they used to look a bit like this, and you could like run around with it like that. Monkey. Next is the raincoat, my personally favourite of this update. And I'm a dumb boy, bro. I'm a nerd, bro. But I actually really do like this. Come here, boy. Yeah, I really like this cosmetic because of the yellow and the purple. But just look at this combo, if I can equip it without getting tagged. This, look. I look like a complete sweat. Yeah, guys. That's all the cosmetics. There's no caves open. Not this update. Probably the next update. Next Friday or even Thursday or Wednesday. I don't know. I'm not sure. Even might be out on Sunday, I don't know. There's a possible chances of it on Wednesday because, yeah, look. And you can't mute the music. And if anyone's being toxic in mines, you can't report them anymore. So, bit useless. I think there should be like a little report thing. There should be like a little entrance thing near the report button. But, don't make it too complicated. But yeah. There's nothing to do in this update. Whereas remember to use your eyes to find the bug. If you can find them in the next 10 seconds while I'm roaming around the forest, make sure you subscribe. You can see them anywhere. Double tap. Sorry, you're saying double tap. Just subscribe if you can. If you have saw them yet, keep looking. Have you seen him? If not, well, if you don't see him, hit that like button. But if you do, subscribe. Try to get this our most viewed video, okay? I want this to be our most viewed video. Have you seen the bug yet? Because I think I have. Unless he's in another map, but yeah, if you didn't see him, make sure you hit that like button. And if you did see him, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Oh no, that juke would have been so cool. But fine. No, he just juked me. No, I'm falling off my feet. No, no.
Man's got duped out of his brain.
Right, come then.
Alright. Come then. Oh, you're gonna try me, huh? You're lucky I don't know how to branch. Come here.
Come here, boy.
Oh, so you're gonna do that to me, huh? Man, you know you're not. I'm not trying, right?
What happened over here though? Oh no, 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 no. Oh look, there's the bug. Hit that subscribe button. Timmy's watching you, by the way. Oh, I did pull it off. I got to pull off the slide juke by the end of the video.
Stupid trees in my way.
Oh, no, I missed it again. I keep missing it. No. I just threw the bug at you.
My bug.
Ha, no, chase me, chase me, chase me. No, I got it perfect. Gimme, come on, let's go. Oh yes, I got you.